The arrival of Islam in Somalia, which began in the 7th century, had a profound impact on the region. It influenced various aspects of Somali society, including culture, politics, and economics. Islam provided a unifying force, helping to create a shared identity among diverse Somali clans and communities. Number 1. Cultural impact. Islam played a significant role in shaping Somali culture, influencing language, art, and traditional practices. Arabic became a prominent language for religious and scholarly purposes, contributing to the development of written literature and historical records. Number 2. Social structure. Islamic principles influenced social norms and governance structures. Traditional Somali clan structures integrated with Islamic law, providing a framework for resolving disputes and maintaining order. Number 3. Economic changes. Islamic trade networks facilitated economic growth in the region. Coastal cities like Mogadishu became important hubs for trade between the Arab world and the East African interior. Number 4. Political transformation. The adoption of Islam influenced the political landscape, with Islamic legal principles becoming part of the governance system. Muslim city-states emerged along the coast, establishing trade relations and contributing to the growth of powerful city-states like Mogadishu, Zayla, and Barawa. Number 5. Education and scholarship. Islamic education became prevalent, leading to the establishment of schools and centers of learning. This contributed to the development of a scholarly class that preserved and expanded knowledge. Number 6. Unity and identity. Islam provided a unifying factor, transcending clan divisions. Shared religious beliefs helped foster a sense of unity and identity among Somalis. Number 7. Architecture. Islamic architecture influenced the construction of mosques and other buildings. Notable examples include the Qiblatan Mosque in Zela and Mogadishu, showcasing a blend of Islamic and local architectural styles. Number 8. Legal system. Islamic law, or Sharia, became an integral part of the legal system. It influenced the resolution of conflicts and the administration of justice. Overall, the arrival of Islam in Somalia had a transformative effect on various aspects of Somali society, providing a cultural and social framework that continues to shape the region to this day.